Hello everyone and welcome back to Concordia for English.ca, where learning is fun and exciting. In this video, I would like to share with you two of the most commonly used idioms. The first one is caught red-handed and the second one is the early bird gets the worm. So let's start with the first one, caught red-handed. Well, the meaning of the idiom can be expected throughout the words. You don't need to make a big search about it. So let me give you an example. Imagine someone is stealing cookies from the cookie jar, and while they are in the act of stealing, someone walks into the room and sees them stealing cookies. So the meaning is to be caught in the act of doing something wrong or naughty. So this idiom actually comes from history when someone was committed a crime and blood on their hands. The second idiom, the early bird gets the worm, means to be prepared, to do something quickly, to do something early. So let me give you an example about it. You're probably a student and the public transportation is your primary means. If you wake up early, probably you will arrive to your school early. But if you don't, probably you will be stuck in the traffic jam. So the early bird gets the worm means to be proactive, to do something early, to be prepared. You don't need to postpone today's works to tomorrow. So it's all about to do something as early as you can. Well, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching the channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you so much.